Fitness fans, welcome back to our channel. Today we are reviewing this young bodybuilder. His name is Emir. This is not just flexing, this is a full muscle breakdown in real time. Let's start from the top, starting with the chest. These are the pectorals. They are responsible for pushing power. Every bench press, every push-ups. Notice the separation, that is where size meets definition. Now look at those shoulders, the deltoids, front, side and rear, three heads working as one. This roundness, that is what creates that 3D look. It is the time for arms, biceps and triceps. This peak, that is the biceps contracting, and this right here, triceps, they actually make up more of your arm size than biceps. Now take a look on his back wings. They are wide and thick. They give that V-taper look, and deeper inside traps, rhomboids, all stabilizing and pulling. Core time, the abdominals. This is not just for looks. This is your body's center of control. Every movement, every lift starts right here. So that is every major muscle working together to build this physique. Which muscle impress you the most? Comment below. Guys, subscribe Muscular Models for more updates in future. His Instagram ID is in description. You can follow him on Instagram.